Hello everyone, my name is Gene. As a seller on Amazon, you know that it is important to maximize the visibility of your products to increase your sales. However, with so many similar items on the platform, it can be difficult to stand out from the crowd, to get more orders, and grow your business. This video focuses on 2 key points to boost your sales. You'll learn how to increase your traffic on Amazon, and how you can improve your conversion rates. Finally, we'll give you some practical tips to increase your results. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced seller, this video will give you the knowledge and skills you need to optimize your visibility on Amazon, generate traffic and sales, and reach your goals. If you're ready to start selling on Amazon and achieve financial freedom, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. By subscribing, you'll have access to exclusive tips, free training, and proven advice to help you succeed on the largest online selling platform. Join our growing community of accomplished sellers and find out how you too can achieve your financial goals. So don't wait any longer, click the subscribe button to make sure you don't miss out on your journey to success on Amazon. We'll see you right after this.
When selling products on Amazon, it is essential to adopt an effective strategy to attract customers to your product page and increase your traffic. While there are several methods to do this, 2 main strategies stand out: PPC advertising and search engine optimization. PPC advertising is a quick and effective way to increase your traffic by placing your ads at the top of Amazon search results. However, it can be expensive, especially if you don't know how to optimize your ad campaigns. If you have a limited budget, PPC advertising may not be the best option for you. That's why, before launching an advertising campaign on Amazon, it's essential to define your goals, your budget, and your target. Search engine optimization, on the other hand, is a longer-term strategy, but it is much more cost-effective. By optimizing your product listings, you can help your potential customers find you more easily. To do this, you need to use relevant keywords in your product titles and descriptions, as well as in the tags on your product page. You can also optimize your images by adding keywords in the file names and alt tags. For example, if you sell t-shirts online, you can optimize your product listing by using relevant keywords such as organic cotton t-shirt or unisex t-shirt. This will increase your chances of appearing at the top of the search results when a customer types these keywords into the Amazon search bar. Thus, you increase your visibility and your traffic. Another effective strategy for optimizing your product listings is to rely on customer reviews. For example, if several customers have left positive comments about the comfort of your t-shirt, you can use these comments to optimize your product description, highlighting this strong point. This builds credibility for your product and allows you to attract new customers looking for quality products. Finally, it is essential to keep in mind that search engine optimization is an ongoing process. You need to monitor and update your product listings regularly to stay relevant and competitive. This will help you stay on top of Amazon's search results and maximize your visibility. In summary, PPC advertising and search engine optimization are 2 effective strategies to increase your traffic on Amazon. If you have a limited budget, search engine optimization may be a good option to start with. On the other hand, if you are willing to invest more, PPC advertising can be an effective strategy to get quick results in terms of traffic. By combining these 2 strategies, you can effectively maximize your visibility on Amazon.
When selling products on Amazon, improving your conversion rates is essential if you want to increase your sales. To do this, you need to consider several key factors, such as improving your product listing, merchandising, and designing your A+ content. Let's take the example of a seller who sells handcrafted jewelry on Amazon. To improve his product listing, he could add details such as materials used, size, color, and manufacturing techniques. By providing detailed information about the jewelry, potential customers can get a better idea of its appearance and its quality. In addition, it would be helpful to include high-quality images of one's jewelry worn by models to give customers a better idea of its appearance. Using high-quality images can help create a positive impression in customers and encourage them to buy. In addition, the seller can include care instructions to extend the life of the jewelry and increase the customer's confidence in its quality. In terms of merchandising, i.e., in terms of presentation, staging a product, a company selling children's clothing can use photos of babies and young children wearing their clothes to show customers how the clothes fit and look on them. Including photos of models wearing children's clothing can help reassure customers of the quality of the clothing and give them an idea of how it looks on their children. Eye-catching descriptions are also essential to catching customers' attention and enticing them to buy. For example, for soft and comfortable baby pajamas, you can include a description, such as made of ultra-soft organic cotton for your little love's optimal comfort. Catchy descriptions can help highlight the benefits of the product and persuade potential customers to buy. You can also include demonstration videos to show how your item works and customer reviews to convince consumers to buy your product. Ultimately, improving your product listing, merchandising, and A+ content design can help you increase your sales on Amazon. By providing detailed information and high-quality images, you can help customers make an informed buying decision. Similarly, by using customer testimonials, you can help persuade potential customers of the excellent quality of your products and encourage them to buy. Ultimately, this can help you build your brand on Amazon and increase your conversion rates.
Increasing sales on Amazon is a key goal for many businesses. This goal can be achieved by adding additional products to your catalog and increasing your advertising to reach more potential customers. When adding additional products to Amazon, it is important to do so carefully. The products should be complementary to your existing catalog, so that customers who buy one of your products are enticed to buy other products. For example, if you sell women's sportswear, you can add athletic shoes to complement your offering. This way, customers who buy women's sportswear can also buy matching sports shoes on your store, which increases the chances of additional sales. On the other hand, adding products, which are not complementary to your catalog, can have the opposite effect by distracting potential customers and reducing the chances of making a sale. Finally, creating bundles can be an effective strategy for increasing sales on Amazon. Bundles are assorted products sold together at a lower price than if each product was purchased individually. For example, if you sell women's beauty products, you can create bundles of assorted products, such as a skincare and makeup package, to provide added value to your customers and increase the chances of additional sales. In conclusion, adding products and increasing advertising are two key strategies to increase sales on Amazon. However, for these strategies to be effective, the added products must be complementary to your existing catalog, and the advertising campaigns must be managed appropriately to achieve a positive return on investment. By experimenting with different strategies, you can maximize your sales on Amazon and achieve the business success you are looking for.
Thank you for taking the time to watch our video about selling on Amazon. If you're here, you're determined to succeed on Amazon, and we're here to help. Subscribe to our channel to receive regular updates and exclusive tips for growing your business on Amazon. With the right tools and strategy, the possibilities of making money on Amazon are endless. Check out the links to the best software such as Helium 10, JASPER and AMZScout with their promo code in the video description. We want to hear from you. Leave us a comment to submit a topic, which could be the subject of a future video on selling on Amazon. If you enjoyed this video, leave us a like to encourage us. And finally, we have a new video that will interest you. Click on this video to discover even more tips and tricks about selling on Amazon. See you soon on our channel.